let's do some stuff with candles as our light source. Oh yes, greetings all, welcome back to my channel. I was thinking the other day about different light sources and different things you can use, and you get different effects using various different sorts of lighting. Now, I've used candles before, and in one of my long exposure shoots I did, I'll links up here for you, and it can be really effective when you use candles. So I'm going to use candles again today, but not to create long exposure or anything, but it's just to give a different it's so difficult to explain because it's just a different sort of a light, and it's really colourful as opposed to a bright white light or something like that. So it can really give some nice effects in a reflection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bit of close-up stuff using a candle and then a reflective surface, which I'm going to use a tablet for. And the idea is you put obviously the candle on to give you the light and an object, and then obviously when you shoot you're going to get a nice reflection on the surface of the tablet. And yeah, it's be fun. So I'm going to go and find a couple of objects to use and yeah, give it a bash. Right, so I've got my trusty aftershave and I've got an ornament. So I'm only going to use those two, and yeah, right, let's set everything up and I will take the shots and see what you think. There you go, guys. Enjoyed that one. I'll just give a bit of a demonstration, a couple of ideas of how different light sources can change your shot dramatically. Obviously the candles give a bit more orangey glow, and the white LED lights give it more of a brighter sort of appeal. So I always have a play around with your lighting and the positioning as well, because depending on whether it's at the back and the front, it could change the aspect of everything so much. So, you know, don't be afraid of taking 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shots with the lighting in different positions, and just play around with it. And it's and you'll find you'll get some really good results. Onto the lens I actually used on this one, I actually used a 70-300. Now, this lens itself is actually more for I'm going to say for shooting wildlife stuff and that sort of thing. But my 18-55 being so close to it, it couldn't focus properly. It weren't sharp enough for me, so I've actually put the 7300 on because the macro on this one, when I flip the macro switch on, it can be really close in, and it is so crisp. So that's hence the reason I put that one on, and that's put the camera back got a bit to do it, but I got there in the end. It worked. So yeah, really pleased with that one. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that one. Don't forget to play around, and also if you enjoy this, please leave a like, just so I know that you're enjoying all this stuff. And don't forget to, if you haven't already, subscribe and share. Much appreciated. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again soon.